Have you ever noticed that your Samsung keyboard symbols feel different when switching languages? Let's look at how to change the button and symbol layout on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open any app where you can use the keyboard, like when you are opening a note. Then tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Tap layout. Next, tap button and symbol layout. Here you will see two options. Default, it keeps the same button and symbol layout across all keyboard languages. Alternative, it adjusts the layout depending on the language, so symbols or accented character may be easier to access. For example, if you type in French, the alternative layout will rearrange some symbol keys to make accent and French punctuation more convenient. Once you choose your preference, tap Apply, and then tap OK to confirm your selection. So, if you mostly type in English, the default might feel simpler since everything stays consistent. But if you switch between English and French often, alternative can make it easier to reach the symbol you need in French. And that's how you customize your button and symbol layout on the Samsung keyboard. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.